Hi folks, this is Sector. Welcome to a new video. Today is Wednesday, the 16th of January 2007. It's 10 minutes past 4 p.m. London time. And well, I reckon I'm done for today. So why not record a little bit of, a little video about the setups that I've been following today. I didn't take any trade today. There were a number of nice looking setups. But well, what can I say? None of them triggered. Anyway, let me review them. Let me go through all of them in detail for you. Okay. Firstly, I was following the Canadian dollar against the JPY on the 1 hour time frame in this beautiful downtrend. Have a look at that lovely moving average formation. Looking for a short entry. However, well, price took off over 150 pips very early in the morning before the London market opens up. When I opened up my charts, price was already somewhere there, and then I was waiting for the pullback. Okay, since I had missed the first swing, well, why not try to profit from the second one? Price has indeed retraced back to, well, resistance levels. We have the dynamic area of resistance around there. Yesterday's low. Also, we have the 61% Fibonacci retracement around that, etc., etc. So perhaps we could find, zooming into the 15-minute chart, perhaps I could see, I could try to find a breakout of this retracement trend line that I'm marking right now to the downside. Okay, like I say, trying to search for a short entry. Unfortunately, it's a little bit late for me today. Like I said, right now we are 10 minutes past 4. I usually finish my trading shift at about 5 p.m. It's just for me too late to search for an entry. Moreover, the average daily range has been more than met. Okay, the average daily range is about 190 pips, whereas today we've already moved 215 pips. So I'm not quite sure there is much, any use left on this currency pair. I'm just not gonna risk it. Furthermore, I was looking into another yen chart, in this case the American dollar against the Japanese yen. Also in this case it was the 30 minutes chart. I was basically looking to or waiting for a pullback to resistance levels, dynamic area, previous day's low. Sorry, we had also the 38% Fibonacci there, etc., etc. Nice place to search for a short entry, or at least for a reversal formation, price reversal formation. I think it's I speak about them on chapter number 3 of the course. Anyway, go review the if you want the reversal price formation I usually tried. So I was waiting, to see a typical reversal formation, searching for a short entry. How we're zooming into the shorter time frames, well, I basically see no reversal formation whatsoever. Okay, we still have this retracement trend line in place. So until this line gives way, it's not possible for me to search for. Actually, let me mark it with an actual trend line. It's not possible for me to search for any short entry. And anyway, furthermore, the main level to keep an eye on, the main level of support and resistance, which was the 106.50, 106.60, has been breached to the upside. So the trade plan has been violated, and therefore I'm looking to trade no longer this setup, at least as of right now. Finally, well, as you can see, we've just touched the 100, which in my opinion signifies some weakening down of the trend. Anyway, let's move on to the next one, the pound, American dollar, the sterling pound against the American dollar. I was looking to trade in this downtrend. You see this downtrend, okay? As I scroll back in my screen, have a look at those moving average formation. Basically, we've been swinging down off the dynamic area of resistance. We've had a sort of, a not so clear retracement channel. I was not particularly fond of this setup, just because the retracement channel is not really very clean. You see, we have a spike there, it's not really very clean, and I like to see my setups sharp, clean, and neat in order to search for clean breakouts. Okay, what I did like about this setup though is if we go into the daily chart, or actually into the weekly chart, we can see this trend line marked in purple or in pink in my screen. Okay, this one I'm talking about, being breached and retested from below. Okay, if we have a look now again into the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, that level, okay, this retracement trend line, this previous long-term trend line, up on a little bit of hesitation as marked by this sideways price action, finally broke through. Then we had the pullback. It's been retested right to the peep, okay, right to the peep with a double top right there, and from there it seems like it's finding resistance. Okay, this area, the 197.00, the 197.50, it's indeed working as resistance. Okay, so it could be a good area to search for short entry in order to continue moving in the direction of the overall main trend, which is definitely down. As you can see, we are making lower highs, lower lows, so a breaking, as I was showing you before, a trend line on the weekly chart, and then being retested from below. For the time being, so far I'm not seeing this setup as clean as I would like to, so I'm not gonna get involved with it, but nonetheless it's worth keeping an eye for possible further short opportunities on the sterling pound. Another one that I was following today, I don't know if I have time enough in this video to review this last setup, but anyway, let's go for it. I was looking to try the short entry on the GBP against the New Zealand dollar. Another nice downtrend as per the moving averages, another swing information of the dynamic area of resistance. Basically we have this last swing down. I was waiting for the pullback, then the pullback in the short time frames. Actually, let me show you the 1 hour time frame. I was spotting this sideways price action, okay, which took place throughout the Tokyo session. In fact, it's some sort of slopey head and shoulders. I hope you guys can see the head and shoulders. Actually, looks like I'm showing someone my middle finger. Anyway, I'm sorry about this. Sorry about that, guys. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the this head and shoulder, okay, slopey head and shoulder with this neckline. I was looking to see a breakout to the downside at the beginning of the new London session, which was London market opened around there. Instead of that, well, so you can see price has moved 517 pips today to the upside. Absolutely, spoiling the whole setup. Let's go back to the setup chart, the 4 hours time frame, and well, as you can see, this congestion area, the area I was looking to work as resistance, okay, former support, former support, now working as resistance. Moreover, the 61% or actually 51% Fibonacci retracement, dynamic area of resistance, etc., etc. But it didn't hold the price. Okay, price has been showing so much momentum in the last 2 days. Have a look at this. Yesterday, the GBP against the New Zealand dollar moved about 600 pips to the upside. Today, it's moved about 400 pips to the upside. Well, what can I say, guys? 1,000 pips within 2 days. That area, that congestion area, I was looking to base my short entry off. Okay, if the breakout took place to the downside, had taken to the downside, actually didn't work out. Okay, price shot up, and therefore, I had no possible entry whatsoever. I couldn't find a solid setup or actually any valid trade plan throughout the day. All of them had been violated one after the other one, and therefore I've decided to remain on the sidelines all day long. Quite a shame. Like I say, I was spotting a few opportunities, but none of them panned out as expected. Anyway, guys, that's all for this video. I will be seeing you tomorrow for more videos. Bye bye.